we're going to be showing you how to throw knives. Now you can either take it and hold it at the handle, where you kind of grip it firmly and you just step to it and throw, flick your wrist, rather than a baseball thrown across your body. Or you could hold it on the blade like that. You take your two fingers and your thumb, and you hold it like a piece of paper, like the end of the piece of paper, and you can wiggle it around and stuff, see that it's firm. And same thing, you just step and flick your wrist. You can drop your finger, like make a fist and drop your finger and stop your hand from motion, and it will hit wherever your finger points. So you can throw it like that or that. So yeah, here.